Ah, shit, Joe. It started going and started clinking. Hey guys, we're attempting to get this ramp truck turned around, right? The problem with this ramp truck is it's big, very big, and it ain't got no steering. It got nothing. And to top it all off, there's a dump trailer in the back of it, secured by nothing, just sitting on, you know, 4 jack stands. So you're gonna have the best view of the house on this you know, OSHA approved Evolution. So we're gonna pass you on over to Brian here, and yeah, you can watch it live. You saw it here. All right, this bed is sketching me out.
Yeah, what can we get through?
I know, though, that's the part that is gonna.
It'd be a lot easier if we had 2 people, one on each wheel.
It wouldn't. That's. I mean, that's not gonna matter for this falling off.
But it's definitely gonna fall off.
It's pretty solid.
That shit down there. That's a part of the truck, man.
About as good as expected.
Oh, here's the fucking hard part. The tough part's gonna be trying to take it down and make it. This is the easy part.
watch out! Watch out! Yeah. What?
Oh, she just popped off. Oh, no,
She broke. What the shit, dude? These are the worst straps.
Are those the eBay straps?
Yeah. Fucking Granberry.
I thought you had tie-down chains here.
I did. It was in the box of the tractor. I don't know what John did with it. Yeah, because we gotta grab it in the wheel wells.
I remember.
Fuck, actually, was that? No. Did we grab it in the wheel wells? I don't even remember now. I remember it was a giant pain in the ass to get it on the trailer.
Yeah, that's why it's more on this side.
No, it's on that side because it fell over on us that one time, remember? It fell off. Yeah, I know. We weren't gonna tell anyone about that, but that happened.
Thanks, Brian. I appreciate you. Good thing I got light forward still.
They're not gonna go in yet.
Well, we gotta move it as we go up, you know what I mean?
We gotta take the strap off. We gotta commit to this.
Bro, I thought we were committed. That's not what we're doing all this. Are we not committed?
Well, we are now.
I mean, if it falls, it's safe now.
No, if it falls, it's more of a pain in the ass.
I mean, is it though?
Yeah, because it's in my garage now.
I have a medical appointment.
Unhook that strap and get it out of your way. So as I remember,
I thought we put it like just fucking like just winged it, bro.
we did wing it, but it's hard to remember how we wung it. All right, go up.
Yeah, Bob. Let me, how far?
Till I say stop.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Going up.
Did I say stop?
Ready?
Yeah, good. All right, stop.
It's probably it fucking covered unwelded from the fucking jacket, bro.
Okay.
No, yeah.
That one needs to come. Just tug aft on that one, will you?
Like bring it?
Yeah,
More?
yeah. It just needs to come towards you or towards aft a little. No?
Right now.
I mean, it's all right. It's touching on the pad. It's just not centered.
Oh, dude, that's fine, bro.
Yeah. All right, go up.
Hey, I'm gonna go up the floor.
Just, yeah, bump it.
Ready?
Yep. Bump. Oh my God. All right, that's about as far as I feel comfortable with. Oh my God, yeah, it was part of it.
Yeah, no, like, no shit, bro. I know.
Oh, I'm gonna have so many jack stands again.
Bro, what are we gonna do with life? Oh, dude.
Grab those
What
jacks.
turns me off on this truck?
Grab that jacks. What?
The green.
That's gonna be addressed. Grab that jack stand. Aw. This is a new jack stand.
It's not a cigarette, dude.
You can enjoy it. Why we do stuff.
Oh, God, dude.
Shit. All right, moral dilemma.
What?
Do we attempt to lift the death trap higher so we don't have to move
No.
the transmission?
Move it.
Or do we move the transmission?
Move it. What's the character?
Yeah, no, so go up. Push the button.
How far am I gonna go up?
I don't know, an inch would help.
Ready?
Yep. Fuck.
No more. It's pretty stable.
Yeah, go again. Yeah, that's good. I got it.
Think we should be good?
I don't know.
Yeah, a little bit more.
I just don't want to, because I can't drive underneath this. I don't want to take the slack out and push it.
No.
And I don't want to push it, and then there's that much slack, and we snap it.
No. I'm just waiting for it to creep.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing. Yeah. It keeps fucking catching.
Hey, that's all right.
Yeah. I'd rather go slow and nice than fast and not. I don't know if you want to get it somewhere else that's a little less sketchy.
Let me know when you're moving to stop.
You're good. We gotta go all the way out.
Hold up. That transmission's gonna hit that fucking.
Is it?
I'm gonna check. No, we're good. Holding it.
Yeah. You got a good bit of slack.
All right, it's on you now.
Yep, I got it. Lost it. We lost it.
Holding it.
Yeah.
It's on you now, baby.
Yeah. Oh shit.
What?
I'm hitting things.
What?
I'm hitting things.
Let me drive. Chalk it.
No. I'm good. All right, Joe. Chalk it. Yeah, I'm slacked.
Ready?
Yeah. Hold on, hold on. I'm gonna try to. Ah, shit, Joe. It started going and started clink.
The brakes are fucking, there's definitely some grinding in the